It's super. I'm super tired. Stop laughing. I'm gonna give a okay? Alright. One moment. Thank goodness. This is not a blogging. This is story. So I'm gonna fix that in the comments. Wow, wow, wow. Mama? Huh? I'm keeping this Hatchimo egg over here. Wow. It's gonna take time because this one's a bit cute. This one's a bit special. Meow. It looks like it's about to hatch. Woo! I would love to see it hatch. Where's our friend Kitty? No idea. Whoa. One moment, guys. Yawn. Wow, is it gonna hatch now? Oh! Ouch. I think we want to warm it up. I'll give you what? Oh, wipe it on my soft furry coat. It'll make it a bit warmer. Ugh, it's hatching. It's actually hatching. It's hatching. It's really hatching. What is it? What is it? One moment. We should be on this edge anymore. I know you can talk now. Oh no. Let's teleport to a different area. Did you hear that? That was disgusting. Wow. I'm new for the Beanie Boo collection. I love you guys. Oh. Just place me down somewhere. Whoa. Wow. What a much better place, right? Yeah, right. Hey, would you like to hang out with me? Okay, I'm just gonna stay over here. I thought you were scared of us. No, I'm not. Well, we should get going to hatch other eggs. There isn't any more eggs to hatch. Oh my god! We should start the video now. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the video because I did not want it to take a real long time to upload. So, guys, I'm gonna end this video in 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to subscribe!